Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this gorgeous makeup look and also how I transformed my black wig to red. So let's get started. If you're interested in how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. So for today's tutorial, I started with the So Red by Matrix. I applied the mixture of the So Red dye with the Schwarzkopf 40 volume developer or 30. You can use 20 if you want. But because I was trying the color for the first time, so I was not quite sure, so I went for 30, I believe. So yeah, I mixed both together to achieve a thick consistency, and I applied the mixture randomly on the hair. Bear in mind that you can actually apply the hair where you want the red to pop, but in this case I was doing one in, one out. As you can tell from the video, it's self-explanatory, but depending on you, depending on the look you're going for, you can apply the red wherever you want the red color. But yeah, I was just doing one in, one out throughout the section of the hair, and I waited for 40 minutes. I covered it with tin foil. I was not quite sure if that was necessary, but depending on you. But for me, I just, you know, put it in the tin foil for like 40 minutes, and then I washed it with the silicone mix and the shampoo by Tresemme. So yeah, that was it for the hair tutorial, and I basically use the silicone mix for with cold water, yeah, because a lot of people do ask, like, do you actually wash your hair with the silicone mix with hot, warm, or cold water? But for me, I actually prefer using the cold, very, very cold water, or just use cold water if you like. But trust me, I don't go for water, hot water, because I've tried it before. The moisture of the hair didn't last as much as I used the cold water. So yeah, basically that's my, because I got a lot of question in regards to that as well. So I went with the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette for this look. I guess this was the Mercury palette. So I used that to create the eye look, and I also used the V eyelashes palette, the 30 pairs palettes for my lashes. So for my look, for my face, I opted for a very simple base by using the Huda Beauty Glow Wish, which is more or less like what's this thing called again? A lightweight foundation, or you can go, yeah, I believe so, yeah. And the elf concealer as well, which is one of my favorite concealer, by the way. And also, for some reason, I think I haven't found any other contour cream that I love as much as I love the Fenty contour stick and the other Beauty contour. Those two are a must-have in your collection. Like, the way they blend in seamlessly with all my makeup is just amazing. I know, right? I like them. In all of my videos, that's what I use. Then I went ahead and used my go-to setting powder by Laura Mercier. The best, hands down the best. So I was trying to use tea tree micro color for the first time, and to be fair, I liked it. I really, really liked it. I actually had two of them. I thought this was actually the 25 and the other one was 32, I believe. But I'll find out and let you guys know. But yeah, I really, really like them. They're very, very hot and keeps the curls in place. So yeah, and some of you guys were asking which of my colors do I like most, because I actually featured a lot in my videos. But don't worry, I'm trying to make a video in regards to that as well, so I'm definitely doing the review of them for you guys to, make a good choice. So this was the 25 I can tell now from the video it's 25 because the 32 is pure white and the handle is pure white as well. The gold was, there's no gold in that. So this one is definitely the 25 single pass 25 mm. which, yeah, is amazing. So I layered the hair, but not too much because his bob hair, so I don't want to go in too much. So I just added a bit of shape to the hair to frame my face, and then I curl the hair away from my face as always. So yeah, I wasn't going for you know, I wasn't going for that deep curls or you know. So I was going for something beach, something like a beach wave type of look, if that makes sense. So yeah, sorry, I'm just ranting. It's actually 2 a.m. right now. So I'm just ranting because I want to sleep, but at the same time, I want to do voiceover. I don't want to put music because I guess it might be boring, considering the fact that I'm teaching you guys something without saying nothing. So yeah, so bear with me if I'm saying nonsense because it's 2 a.m. and I want to go to bed, and at the same time I want to do this so that you guys can understand exactly what I'm doing as opposed to just, inserting a music clip in the video. So yeah, I did the same thing on the other side as well. I curled my hair away from my face just to frame my face, if that makes sense. And then I applied the Schwarzkopf spray. This pink one is actually the best. I have the three types. I have the black one, the white one, and the pink one, but the pink one is definitely my favorite. I really, really like it. It doesn't have any residues or sticky or make your hair too hard. So yeah, I love it. So that's the finished look, guys. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think, but I am loving this. I really love the result of the hair look. It was exactly what I envisioned, and yeah, the whole thing is just giving what it's supposed to give. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and follow me on Instagram at prettylilyd. Follow me on TikTok at prettylilyd, but just one L on TikTok. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.